What's up guys, today I've got my hands on the brand new Ticwatch Pro 5 Enduro. Now this is a slightly updated version of the Ticwatch Pro 5, and in this video I'm simply going to share with you the main differences between these two watches. Now I have already done a full review of the Ticwatch Pro 5, and if you've not seen it I will link it in the description box below, so do check out the full review for a better understanding of this smartwatch. So mobvoi's most powerful smartwatch has been updated to a new Enduro version. The boxes and the accessories are exactly the same, and physically both watches do look similar, but if you look closer you will notice some updates. So the new Enduro version, which I have on the left, now has Sapphire glass instead of Gorilla Glass, so expect a much tougher scratch resistant glass. Now the Enduro version is also slightly thinner at 11.9mm versus 12.2mm, and there is also a difference in the weight. The Enduro weighs 75.1 grams and the standard Ticwatch Pro 5 weighs 63.6 grams. So the new Enduro is slightly heavier. Furthermore, the Enduro's bezels have this updated design. They are supposed to be stronger, reinforced bezels with arrow line patterns going all the way around, as you can see. And if we compare it to the standard model, you can see we have a plain design. So the bezels have been upgraded. The straps are also different. So both still silicone straps, metal buckles, but you can see we have these arrowed designed on the Enduro version, and the standard Pro 5 has plain straps. And on the other side of the straps, again, the Enduro version has this really nice ridged finish, which is very comfortable compared to the plain finish on the standard model. Now both straps are removable. They are both 24mm straps, and you can remove them with any third-party strap of the same size. Health sensors and charger pins are exactly the same. Speaker and microphone locations are also in exactly the same position. So another nice update we have is a slightly bigger rotating crown on the Enduro. So they redesigned it, they made it bigger and stronger, and it does feel a lot nicer when you're scrolling. It's much smoother compared to the standard model. So that pretty much sums up the physical differences. Now specifications are the same in both watches. So both have that exclusive Ticwatch dual display technology. So 1.43 inch AMOLED display with that ultra low powered display sandwiched on top. Furthermore, both smartwatches are powered by Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipsets with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Both have the same 628 mAh battery, but the Enduro supports fast charging, so 30 minutes charge will give you 2 days of battery life. And somehow the battery life has also been improved in the Enduro version, so it should last you 10 hours more than the standard Pro 5. And let me tell you right now, the standard Pro 5 battery lasted me over 4 days. So a slight improvement over that is going to be amazing. Now both watches are water resistant. They both have certifications for 5 ATM and military standard 810H. Now let's talk about more changes. We have a few updates on the software side. So the Enduro's ULP display now supports third-party apps like Strava, Adidas Running, Night Plus, and lots more. The Enduro's side button can also be customized to open any app you like, and you can configure that within settings. You also have an all-in-one Tic Health. So here is the Enduro's Tic Health, and we have the standard one on the other side. If I scroll both of them, you can see how it's laid out a little bit more neater on the Enduro version. And if you tap on any of these metrics, it will give you detailed reports. So Tic Health has been updated on the Enduro. Tic Exercise has also been redesigned. Let me show you a side-by-side with a brand new layout showing you more exercises on one page, which is a lot more convenient. So everything else is pretty much the same. So same performance, same features, you've got the same watch faces, you've got the same health sensors. So bottom line, the Ticwatch Pro 5 is one of the best smartwatches of this year so far, and they have further improved it with the new Enduro version, making it even tougher and more durable, and introducing some extra features and improved battery life and fast charging. So if you're thinking of buying the Ticwatch Pro 5, I would definitely recommend you go for the new Enduro version. But if you already have the Ticwatch Pro 5 standard model, I don't advise an upgrade at this point, as it's going to feel too similar to what you already have. Any questions? You guys know what to do. Meanwhile, if you want to see more of the latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.